Okay, Mom. Okay. Hey guys, it's me, TJ. I'm babysitting my nieces. Summer and Zoe. Here's the one blue Summer, and this is Zoe, the one that's gonna be smart. Someone likes to get dirty, and Summer is kind of the cute one, and Summer is one. Zoe is, oh no, I don't pay attention. So we haven't found the duck yet, and I'm kind of bored, and I'm glad it's summer, but it's for the end. Well, I don't think it's for the end because it's gonna be my birthday, and yeah, my birthday is July 23rd. Mom, say hi.
Hi, love you, people. Don't be talking with my foot out.
Okay. Awkward. Okay. Let me show you guys some of my basketballs. Well, that's a beach ball. This is my basketball, the one that has all kind of colors. And this is my pink beach ball, the one that I play with. I play with. And I'm just sitting on the floor right now in my own lollipop. And yeah. So that's pretty much. And my sisters are watching this. Oh no, there's the Venom Pool, the thing, Spider-Man, Flash, Captain America. Can you guys see them?
Green, red, orange, blue, purple.
That's Captain America. And this is GTA. That's so weird. Like, why would people that play GTA do this for babies? Yeah, so I'm bored. Yeah, I'll make another video when I'm not bored. Okay, bye guys.